This is Fat Deer Lodge, a stunning residence designed by Cushing Terrell, located in Darby, United States. Spanning 2,400 square feet, this architectural masterpiece blends modern aesthetics with rustic charm, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The home is uniquely positioned on the lot, reflecting the homeowner's deep connection to nature. Expansive glass windows allow natural light to flood the interiors, enhancing the seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. With a perfect balance of wood, stone, and steel, the design embodies elegance and durability. Every detail tells a story, making Fat Deer Lodge a true testament to thoughtful architecture. The great room of Fat Deer Lodge embraces an open-concept design with soaring ceilings and expansive glass windows, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. A bold black fireplace anchors the room, contrasting with the light wood flooring and neutral tones, creating a modern yet rustic aesthetic that highlights the surrounding Montana landscape. The kitchen and dining area embrace a modern rustic aesthetic, featuring a monochromatic palette with black cabinetry contrasting against white walls. Woven pendant lights add warmth, complementing the natural wood flooring. Expansive windows maximize natural light, while the open layout seamlessly integrates cooking and dining spaces, fostering both functionality and aesthetic harmony. The staircase features warm wood steps, sleek cable railing, and industrial-style beams. Recessed lighting enhances the modern aesthetic, while framed posters add a vintage, personalized touch. The living area features floor-to-ceiling windows with black trim, allowing natural light to highlight the neutral palette, mid-century furniture, and layered textures for warmth. The bedroom features a monochrome fireplace accent wall, natural wood flooring, and minimalist furnishings, with a large window optimizing daylight and outdoor connectivity. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.